What's up mga katorta? I'm Rael from Philippine Island Assassin. Yan, another vlog na naman tayo. At nandito tayo ngayon sa MOA Motivation, guys. And today's the technical rehearsal of Countdown 2019. Siguro 2019 na to nang i-upload ko. Nga pala guys, binabati ko kayo ng Happy New Year. At sana lahat tayo ay magkaroon ng maraming blessings. Yun, abangan nyo yun. Mag-update ako mamaya. Magre-rehearse lang kami. Laro mo guys. Add nyo sa Facebook. Ayun mga katorta, inaanyayahan namin kayo. Manood kayo bukas dito. Live countdown. PMA Kapuso dito sa MOA Arena po. Okay. Ngayong araw po kasi ay December 30. So yes. Technical rehearsal bukas ay December 31. Ngayong live hanggang January 1, 2019 na yon. Kasi kuya mo, siguro mapapanood na nila to January nito. Hindi, live to, live. Hindi, itong vlog ko. Isang vlog. Oo, pero sigurado ako, pag napanood nyo tong vlog ko, napanood nyo na tong countdown. Yes. Tama. Pero, gagawin to ng katortang Rael natin para sa mga hindi nakanood. Yun, mapanood nyo ulit. Tama, abangan nyo, yung mga paborito nyo artista, Kapuso. Yes. Siyempre, hindi mawawala ang Philippine Island Assassin dyan. Yun! Follow nyo kami lagi, kahit sino sa amin. Tabangan nyo yung performance ni Alden with Philippine Island Assassin. Yan. Philippine Island Assassin.
Isolated eyes, a messy mind. Think I need to help you. I'm gonna try.
Laban kahit may lagnat ko. Ate, ito.
Wanna burn together in a million ways. Now let me take the lead. I know you wanna play with me. Got secrets you might wanna see. You might wanna see. You might wanna. I know I'm not gonna regret this. Wanna get reckless, but you to the test, yeah.
Pagod ako ah. Hindi na ako sanay. My God!
So guys, punta na kami sa stage. Hi guys! Medyo
Yeah.
baling mo sa kanan. Yan!
Hi! Hi! Hi!
Hey!
Hi!
Hey!
Hi!
Hoy!
Hi!
Medyo late yun.
Hi! Excuse me!
Joke lang.
4:30 call time so. Excuse me. Nadaan kasi. Oo naman po.
3. Sa bang kaya? 1, 2, 3. Thank you.
Salamat po.
Yo! What's up guys? Nandito na kami sa stage. Yeah. So, nandito kami sa stage. Yo! Dito tayo sa stage, diba? Magre-rehearse muna kami ha. So, tatabi ko muna ito.
Met a bad bitch at the DoubleTree. Okay. Gave her this, she fell in love with me. Met a bad bitch at the DoubleTree. Gave her this, she fell in love with me. 3 Zans, lit. 3 Woods.
Yan guys, umulan so na-stop kami sa pagpa-practice. Yan guys, umulan. Pero andito kami sa stage. Mamaya, mag-rehearse pa kami. Man, lakas ng ulan, no?
Oo nga.
Lakas ng ulan dito sa MOA, guys. Hindi kami
Rehearsal na maayos.
hindi kami makapag-rehearsal na maayos eh. Pero,
Madulas.
gagawin pa rin namin lahat para sa inyo. Raman?
Oo, kaya yan. Aristotle.
Hey, shoutout sa mga tropa.
Hindi kasi hato din rin.
Let's go. Yo. I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it. Fuse like a magnet, lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back, better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes. I take shots to the top, I'll get it. I got one life, I'ma do all to win it. I do what's right, push until I fall. I'm slipping to get back up, always stand tall, I'm grinning. I got cuts real deep, been bruised and scarred. I had to learn how to think with my head and my heart. I've been chewed up, spit out, torn apart. But picking up all the pieces is a form of art. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same. Cause that's what it takes.
Yeah, what's up guys? Update lang kumain na kami tapos dito kami ngayon sa stage kasi papractice namin yung dalawang prod. Ito, tingnan nyo sila, nag-practice.
Bukas guys, abangan niyo po kami sa GMA Countdown. Nanonood po kayo. Countdown 2019. Yes.
Bukas live tayo,
Live po
no?
kami bukas.
So, sama-sama tayo dito
Saka,
sa MOA. Mag-10, 9, 8,
Sana
7.
sumuporta po kayo ng mga sayo namin.
Oh, panoorin nyo lang.
Panoorin niyo po kami.
Ito, tandaan nyo yung mukhang to, magkakalat to.
Huwag naman, ito rin na magkakanatan niya bukas.
Hindi nyo ako makikita bukas.
Hindi.
Ito, guys, tandaan nyo yung mukhang to. Guys, magre-rehearse muna kami ha. Diyan lang kayo. Yo, what's up guys? Update lang oh, tapos na kami. Yo, tapos na kami. Bukas, call time namin alas 3. Tapos hanggang countdown na yun, no? And maraming salamat sa mga nanood dyan, sa mga sumubaybay. Bukas, mas dadamihan ko pa yung exposure ng mga artista. Seriously. Yan, maraming salamat. Huwag kakalimutan mag-like, comment, and syempre, subscribe. Kung hindi pa kayo nakasubscribe, maging isa ka ng katorta. Sama-sama tayo sa 2019, okay? Yun lang, maraming salamat. Bossman, maraming salamat. Lord kay bukas ha. Pinatay ko naman.
Niggas need to stop trying to rock my wave. Actually, you can't flow, boy. Came up from nothing with all of my niggas up and take it on you.